Everything that you have on, everything that you dealt with today, a truck driver had to get it to you. You have people, their rebuttal will be, oh no, we can get it by train. What do you think the train is hauling? They shipped it on a boat. How do you think it got to the port? I think it's one of the most important jobs in the world. I really do. Because without truckers, the world will fail. It'll crumble.
Freight's a massive industry. It's a $700 billion industry. It's also historically been a technology-adverse industry. Uber has demonstrated how transportation can move more efficiently and personal transportation. And that same sort of experience can exist in trucking and freight transportation. So that's what we set out to build.
When Uber Freight brought this app, it changed the game totally.
It's a quiet revolution happening within the freight industry.
My name is Tiffany Hanna, and I am a veteran. I've been driving now for almost 19 years. So when's your tournament? Being a single mom, I just want to be able to provide a decent life for my children, and that's the biggest thing. How are you feeling about it?
I just want to rest it. I keep waking up like,
Thank you. Have a great day. A lot of people come into trucking, and they think that it's just driving. You was waiting on me? It's so much more to it than that.
So within the freight industry, there's an incredible complexity in that whole process. There's so many points of coordination, and it's all manual.
25% of all trucks on the road don't have anything in the back. And owner-operators spend 30 to 40% of their time just waiting around. Prior to Uber Freight, it would take a carrier or a shipper, on average, 4 hours to find that next load or that next transaction. Now we have loads that get created and booked in 30 seconds. SAP is a technology company that is the backbone of many of the largest companies in the world.
When there's a market disruption happening like Uber Freight, the ability for SAP to take that disruption and scale it globally, I think is extremely valuable.
Uber Freight will be offered natively within the SAP Logistics Business Network, which will allow us to access customers and scale much more quickly. They have the backbone, we have the execution platform.
The technology aspect is coming to actually really help people.
I'll be able to pick my loads and be home for more holidays, more birthdays, more special events. I have control over that. And that's what every driver wants. They want control over their life. So with that being said, I know I have to keep pushing. And I wouldn't have it any other way.